I recently started to crocheting and I love to do it. ये थोड़ा मुश्किल ज़रूर है पर मुझे अच्छा लगता है करना. Today I make sunflower. It's my first time to making it. सॉरी मुझसे कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई. ओके. One, 2 and 3. It's a triple crochet. And now we make a 2 chain and slit in their head. Okay. And now make a triple crochet again in same loop. 1, 2, 3, and now we make a double crochet. And make 2 chain again and slit in next chain. See the next chain, upper and lower part both, and going to slit it. It's making a second petal. My sunflower second petal is complete. Let's start a next petal. 2 chains and double crochet in next chain loop. Sorry, I am new in crochet, so some things are I don't know. Now we make a triple crochet. I'm learning. My stage is learning. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Double crochet, मतलब 2 chain and slit on their head. Okay. Triple crochet again. Okay, again. If I have any mistake, please forget because I'm a beginner. But I love to do it. I want to learn. I love crocheting. I love it. It's give me peace, relaxations. It's make me like I am capable of something to do. Oh, it's too much hard to do. Really, really, really. 2 chain. Okay, 3 petals are complete. Wow, it's look nice to both sides.